Do you want to learn how to make your own music? Ableton Live is a professional, industry standard music production tool for both Mac and PC users. And this is the perfect course for you to learn it all, whether you're a complete beginner or you're coming from another digital audio workstation. Perhaps you're an aspiring musician or DJ who wants to create your own songs from scratch. Or maybe you want to work behind the scenes as a producer or mixer. Either way, after taking this course, you'll be confident creating music from scratch using Ableton Live. My name is Phil Ebener.
And I'm Matt Cass. I've been producing music professionally for over 15 years, and you may hear some of my music streaming on Spotify or while watching HBO. And my goal is to make learning Ableton Live easy and fun and practical. So this course isn't just a technical rundown of all the tools and buttons inside Ableton. The course is based on real-world music production. So you'll learn Ableton while you actually start making your own music. And beyond simply putting together a song with multiple instruments and vocals, I'll teach you advanced music theory tips to make your songs better and more catchy.
Once you enroll, you get instant access to easy-to-watch video lessons, downloadable resources to help you out, and premium support if you ever get stuck. We'll be here if you have a question to help guide you through the process of learning how to use Ableton Live. So if you want to start making music today, we believe this is the perfect course for you. So click that enroll button and we'll see you inside.